Hello and what's up everybody, welcome back to yet another video. In this video we'll talk about deepfakes. So what are deepfakes? A deepfake is a type of fake video, image or audio that looks and sounds real but has been made using advanced computer technology. Imagine taking someone's face or voice and putting it into a video or recording where they never actually were. It's like a digital trick that makes it seem like a person said or did something they never did. This is deepfake. Okay, how deepfakes work? So let's see. First of all, there are a lot of photos, videos, and audio recording files of a person are gathered to learn how they look and sound. Okay, so there are two types of deepfakes. One is deepfakes, and then the second thing is voice cloning. Okay, the deep face will look at the videos and photos of a person and will create images similar to that, or it will transplant the image of on a video or video on an image. Okay, so let's say you have a photo and you want to deep fake it, and you can add a photo of another person onto that person. Okay, or you have a video of me and you want to add your own image to it, make it your own video, and you can do that as well. Okay, so one thing is that. Another thing is we have a lot of voice data of someone, and then we want to generate voice of another person. Let's say you want to you have the data of your own voice, and then you want to sing a Justin Bieber song in your own voice. Then AI will generate that song for you in your own voice because it has enough data of your sound. Okay, so the first thing is the AI system, when trained with data, then trained using this data to understand the person's facial expressions, voice, and movements. Okay, then once trained, the AI can take this knowledge and apply it to another video, swapping the original person with the one it learned about. Okay, so it's simply amazing to see that the AI carefully blends the new face or voice into a video, make it look natural and realistic. Okay, then we have the final version. Finally, the deep fake is fine tuned to remove any obvious flaws, making it harder to tell that it's fake. Okay, so once polished, this can be used to manipulate people to do bad stuff, but this can also be used for educational purposes. So make sure to not use anything in illegal way. That will be coming up in the next video. These skills are hard to master and require months to understand, but I will teach you how to do it in easy, simple ways. For a few minutes of work, the results you will get will be impressive, and you will tell your family and friends about this new technology you found. Okay, so this is all about the introduction to deepfake. In the next video, we'll see some guidelines on how to use it and how not to use it, especially. And then we'll move forward, and I will teach you how you can create deepfake videos and deepfake photos in the easiest way possible. So let's get started with the course.